I lost $500 day trading gold. So that is my market. So let's go over my market, my daily buys, right? So daily buys, I was basically bullish because 4 hour, 1 hour was bullish, right? Prior to that, we had an hourly order block, which got disrespected, right? But other side, I had a, so, you know what I'm saying, 30-minute conflict as well. But I was looking for a buy entry, right? Which happened right over here. So basically, my buy pattern, I'll tell you guys why I lost that, okay? So the first thing is that I had a sell pattern, which happened this from this recent session high, right? We started at the high, you know, respected that, and yeah, it gave us a bearish setup from right here from the 1 minute time frame. I did not take this one because, I mean, although I look at the market, I did not take this because I can't go sell in the market, right? So it is what it is, right? So TP was right here. You got smashed. It was a 2RR, right? Other one was right here. So why did I take this other trade? To all it does my order block, building block, right? He gave me a buy pattern. So once he gave me a buy pattern, the buy pattern actually worked. But guess what? My break even spot was right here. So right when the market, right when I entered, right? Let me delete this one now. So right when I entered, right? The market came back down, right? You try to give me scared, right? That the buy pattern doesn't work, right? But the market just ripped right back up, touched my buy pattern, right? Touched my break even spot. Right when I was gonna break even, right when I was gonna break even my, you know, in my chart, the market just started ripping down, right? So I was like, damn, I can't even break even, right? So the boom, the market came back down, took me out, right? Took some money out of for me. So that's what I learned. So what was the mistake from this trade? Was that buy pattern did work, right? I'm not gonna change no buy pattern, no sell pattern, right? It does work, right? I back tested that it works, right? So what can we do on this is right when it hits my break even spot, do not wait, break even. Right when I hit my break even spot, break even. Do not wait, do not be like, yo, can you go a little higher? So I can put myself a little higher. It does not matter. So right when it hits my break even spot, I have to break even fast and quick because the market could reverse fast and quick, right? So next time it's just that, be faster, I mean, by breaking even, right? And yeah, that's because of that loss, and I know it's like, yo, this market does need a retracement to this, and we got a retracement right on this and came back down, took me out, right? And the next trade I took right over here, which was a loss again. So what was this one of the loss? Because the reason it was a loss, let me see. So this one, I had a 4 hour auto block, 4 hour backup block, 4 hour liquidity sweep, 4 hour 1 hour liquidity sweep, 4 hour auto block, right? I was looking for, yo, that looked really bullish to me, so I was waiting for a 5 minute confluence, 5 minute auto block right here. The 5 minute did not break the up, so you get a new one. So this one did not, this one failed to break the up, right? So basically now, why did I enter the trade? Boom, waited for the reaction. The reaction, I got the reaction right over there. Boom, entered on that. I entered long on that. Puts also right below this. I risked 0.5 and the other one 0.5, so I only lost 500 in the trade. So I de-risked, right, which is good, right? So I had 2 times to lose, right? So next week, this is what I'm gonna do for the next week. So next week is gonna be full of 0.5%. So this next week I'm only de-risk, right? So all my trade next week gonna be 0.5%, right? Break even spot was right here. You never got it, you know, right into it. Right, we got up to it, you know, the zone right here, made a reversal and went right back down, right? Well, fast forward to this. So what did I do wrong on this trade? Let me see, let me think. I think it's that because the news affected the market so much that it's dead now. Why? Like I'm saying, the market is no longer, does not look like it can go up after this huge move up. The market does not look like it can probably retrace up there, right? For now, like till now, right? Like for the next cut, like for right now, you won't retrace all the way up there. You will retrace in the future, but for now, you won't, right? So the mistake I did was like not just, I'm saying. So what was the mistake I did? So I think the mistake I did was trying to get my get back. I feel like one trade was fine, you know, saying to taking more than one trade is not good, right? It's not good for your body, right? Not for me, Friday. So wait, fuck, I don't know what I did wrong in this trade. Shit. Came back down, give us a strong thing, you know, give it touch the auto block. Put the break toucher up. What I think I did wrong in this trade was basically that I should have not even got it in, you know, the huge move up, huge move down happened. No retrace gonna happen, so this right here, it looks like it could be a stupid loss, but this one right here, actually, I respect this loss. You know what I'm saying? I respect it. Although I did not get a breakup structure, I did get my other type of entry. I do respect this loss. I do respect this loss. I, you know what I'm saying, as a realistic loss. I do respect it, you know, because it's my first time. So, because, you know, loss is part of the game. But this one was like I'm saying, a good loss for me to take, right? A good loss that, yo, I followed my plan, put sell stop, put everything right correctly, right? But this one right here was a stupid loss, you know. This one, I should have definitely broke even. So next time, I did have my thing on. I was going to click right when I'm going to click on 4 and the market came back down. So on this one was a stupid loss. What I could have done was next time, right when it hits my break-even spot, like go to your phone, fucking break even, right? That's what we gotta do, right? We cannot wait, because the market usually tends to, like, you know, reflect out of it fast, because that's why I said a break-even spot where the market can reverse fast, quick, right? And yeah, because of that. And yeah, I promise you guys, next week we should definitely make it back. You know, this week I ended in a bullish week. This week I ended in a huge green week, right? Made the last week's money, made profit in this week, right? This week I made what? I lost $500 today, but I made $1,000 this whole week, right? So I'm still up 1,000, but I made the last week of money as well. So next week, our next week first trade will always matter. The first trade we take next week always matter. The first trade we have to take a win in the first trade, right? We cannot with the focus on the first trade next week, right? So my main focus for the next week is to take my first trade, risk 0.5% on every trade next. So the whole next week I'm risk 0.5%, plus the whole next week I'm what do you call it? The first trade always matters, and I will not make stupid losses. And I think I made another stupid loss a couple of days ago. What was it? What do you call it? What was the stupid loss? The stupid loss I took. If the hourly time frame against my bias, and I'm looking for 15-minute breakout structure, and I get a 15-minute breakout structure, and once I get a 15-minute breakout structure, I go to 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute time frame against my bias, I wait for a 5-minute breakout structure before proceeding to do anything, right? Or 5-minute confluence, right? And other than that, is if the 5-minute, right? If the 5-minute goes to a danger zone, right? So where the danger zone meaning, like, you know, support and resistance shit, right? And I have to let the candle get out the zone, close bullish, right? Or bearish, depending on my bias, right? Depending on the zone, if it's bullish or bearish, right? So I have to let it get out of my zone. I have to let the candle get out of my zone, close bullish, then look for a confluence, right? To know that, yo, he wants to go that way, or he wants to go bearish or bullish, right? Vice versa, right? So yeah. But yeah, next week we should definitely make it back. This week I will let you do this video, right? We'll definitely make it back. I will definitely make it back next week. You know, the long term we're gonna definitely make it back. Yeah, next week let's crush it. Next week let's get the first win. The first win always matters. This week I'm gonna risk 0.5%, and yeah, let's get it crushed into this week, man. This week I still ended the bullish week. I'm happy about that, but I'm not happy that I made mistakes, right? So we're gonna fix this mistake. I'm not gonna make the mistake that once I get a 15-minute breakout structure, look at a 5-minute time from the 5-minute to get my bot to look for a 5-minute confluence or a 5-minute breakout structure, right? Then other than that is that once I get in a trade, whatever the trade I had, whatever the way I get in, like, let's just say, you know, saying the buy entry, it does work, right? Every entry does work. It's just that right when it hits my break-even spot, go and break even fast, right? Other than that, what was the other one? The other one was basically to once the market touches my danger zone, let the candle get out of the danger zone, let it close, look for a 5-minute confluence, and yeah, get in, right? But other than that, I will definitely fix this week. I'll definitely learn from these 3 mistakes I made this week. I'll definitely carry these 3 mistakes to the next week and fix them up. I will definitely be patient, confident, fearless, emotional, and not greedy. And yeah, let's get it, man. I will definitely expect to not take a trade. I'll expect to take good habits, to make good habits while trading, right? I will always expect, like, yo, every trade I will expect to let out lose the trade, right? So it brings less emotions, and I expect to build good habits and a skill over money, right? And yeah, that is it. And thank you for watching. It's my 6/21/2024 market recap and trade recap of how I lost $500 a day trading gold. Thank you for watching.